ArchiCAD 25 is the latest version released by Graphisoft. As at the time of making this video, it is a premier BIM, that is building information modeling software, that allows you to create intelligent building models with construction information linked to it. If you are looking into understanding 2D modeling in ArchiCAD, this class is for you. Hello and welcome to my Skillshare class. My name is Nzangi Muimi and this is ArchiCAD 25 Basics digital course. This class targets the following categories of people. Number one is architecture, engineering and construction students with basic to no ArchiCAD skills and want to learn the process of developing a floor plan in ArchiCAD. And number two is beginner ArchiCAD users who are proficient in other CAD software and want to master ArchiCAD 2D drafting, modeling and documenting skills. The class is broken down into step-by-step tutorials taught in a slow pace, making it easy to follow along as we work on a real project. By the end of this class, you should be able to do the following. Number one is create an ArchiCAD project. Number two is develop a comprehensive architectural floor plan. Number three is dimension a floor plan. And finally, number four, save your drawing to a PDF document. So if you're interested in getting hands-on practical ArchiCAD skills, enroll to this course and let's meet in the next video. Cheers.